Hi, today I'm product me Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So just to do that, let's first launch the settings and then scroll to the lock screen section. Here you'll see always on display section, just tap on it. Here we can change the shown settings on the AD of the AD option, so we can tap it to show it always, set the schedule, the start and the end time, and show it only for new notifications. We can here switch also the clock style to use the calendar for example, to change the color of all of the information. Also, we can use here the just emoji if you want, the photo from your device gallery, some stickers, just to change the color of. So I'll just use the one from the clocks styles, for example, this one. So then just tap to done. Also, we can here show music information if you want by click on the switch, or to change the orientation of the AD from the landscape to the portrait, and to use outer brightness on the AD screen. So, or just to change it by yourself manually. So that's it. That's how to customize AD option on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.